Welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we are going to see how to create a simple chatbot agent to translate English text to Spanish and French using Visual Studio Code in Apple Mac Silicon chip. Okay. Now to do this we need to have some prerequisites. I assume you already have knowledge on running .NET Core project in Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to set up everything, I had already a video before. I will paste it in the link in the description. You can go through that first, how to install. But that video contains .NET Core 6, but pretty much same the steps how to run everything, even if you install higher version of .NET Core. Now to do this we need to install at least .NET Core 9 to work for the chatbot agent. So first step, we will install .NET Core, and I will go to it. It's a simple step. We will go to the Google, just search for .NET Core download. .NET Core download. So the first link you can go, and you see the .NET Core 10 is released with the long-term support on November 11. So we'll just use the latest one. Just click download. It will take a few seconds to download. It's downloading. Once downloaded, you can go to the downloads folder, and you can double click. Then you can click continue and install, and you need to use the password of your Mac. Then it will install the package for you. Once done, it is pretty much, you can see installation is completed. Then we will verify the installation. So you'll go to the terminal and just type .NET list-runtimes. This will give you the list of runtimes that you install. Okay, I have all versions, but you can see in the top you will have 10. In case if you are doing very first time, you will see only one line. That one I am highlighting is .NET 10. Okay, now we have .NET 10 installed already. Now the second step is we need to have installed some extensions in order to run our console application in Visual Studio Code. Okay, you go to the extension section here and install C# dev kit. This is the Microsoft dev kit, C# dev kit extension, which used to help to run the C# language projects for console applications. And when you install C# dev kit, the C# also will be get automatically installed. If not, you can just install again, searching by this extension here, Microsoft. Just click install, that should be fine. Then you need to install Azure AI Foundry. This will be a preview currently as of now, and for this demo, for our demo, we are going to use this Azure AI Factory. That will install basically this AI toolkit for Visual Studio Code. Again, this is also preview. If not, please install this as well. And .NET install tool. This .NET install tool is also needed for our C# dev kit. This is also come part of when you install C# dev kit. If not, just install again. And this AI resources, this is also preview. This also please install, so that when we run our application for the chatbot, it will work fine. Okay, make sure all these installed, in the extensions is installed. Okay, once installed, then we can go here and we can create a new folder. Okay, so I am going to create a open folder. Either you can go here or you can open from here. So I go to downloads folder. So I will create a new folder, a chatbot. Okay, create, then open. So now I have created a chatbot, a new folder. So now I will create a console application here. So how do I create a console application? I will go to the terminal and I will just open. For the simplicity, I will close this. Okay, now I need to type the .NET command, .NET new console. If I knew the project name. Okay, AI chatbot. Okay, So this will create the AI chatbot folder here. So I will cd AI chatbot. Okay, now if you see here, this AI chatbot created with the .NET framework 10.0. This is the one we just installed. Okay, then the program.js will have some console.ReadLine hello world by default. Okay, now for this one also we do have the solution folder which is created again. It's all good. Then I will run this project first. .NET run. This is the command to run the .NET projects, .NET solution in Visual Studio Code. See, hello world got printed here. Okay, we are good because console is running and the build everything is happening. Now we will go for the package. So if you see here in the console AI chatbot project, there is no packages as installed here. So we need to install 3 packages. OpenAI. Okay, I have this .NET. Okay, this is the first package, .NET add package Microsoft.agents.ai.workflows. So why we need to put pre-release means as of now the packages are in pre-release. So we will just install this one. As soon as we install, you see the package references also showing it here. Okay, now the second package is Microsoft Agents AI, and this is also pre-release. Okay, installed, and as you can see it's added as a package reference. The third one is Microsoft Extensions AI OpenAI. This is needed for the chat client creation. Okay, now this is done. So we are going to use ChatGPT 4 or 5 for our demo. We will see which one to use, but for now maybe we'll go with the 4.1 Mini or something that will have some free credits. Even 5, I think recently I saw the 5 also, they like the GPT version 5 also will have this free for some number of requests. After that we need to pay more, I guess. Okay, once that is done, we will upload this in the GitHub. Later I will share you the GitHub link also in the description. You can go and clone and use it. Okay, now for this we need to add the packages that we installed just now. Microsoft Agents AI.workflows, then Microsoft using Microsoft.agents.ai, using OpenAI.chat. Okay, these are the packages we need. Now we will create our first chat client. Okay, iChat client is the interface which we need to create. Chat client equal to chat client. Then we need to have the GPT model. So we will be using GPT-4.1 Mini version, and then the other next one is we need to create API key credential. This one I will tell you how to generate these two once we have completed the coding part. Okay, now then new OpenAI chat client options. Chat client, OpenAI client options. Okay, we need to have the endpoint, and endpoint with a new URI, open URI, then dot as AI client. Okay, now I got why this guy is not coming up. Here we missed the new keyword. So just make sure we are adding the new keyword. Okay, then dot as a chat client. Okay, then we are good. Okay, so this is the one we are creating iChat client, and we are using GPT 4.01 Mini model, and API key we need to generate. That I will explain how to generate, and the endpoint also we need to change from the Microsoft models. Then our iChat client. Okay. Okay, now we will proceed now create the French and Spanish agent. Okay, so for that we have the agent AA agent, French, Spanish, trans agent to new chat client agent of chat agent, the one we created here. Then the object chat object system prompt, we need to give the system, not system prompt, instructions what we need to give. You are a helpful assistant to translate English to Spanish. Okay, then we need to give the name, the name is system. Okay, name is name and Spanish translator. Okay, so we created a Spanish translator agent, and instruction we are telling the chat client option GPT is that okay, this is the agent which will translate English to Spanish. So a similar way we will create French agent as well. Okay, French agent also same, new chat client agent, and we are using the same chat client agent. Then with the client options, name French translator, and instruction helpful assistant to translate English to French. Okay, now once this is done, then we will create the A agent workflow. Okay, A agent, this is workflow agent, agent workflow builder dot build sequential. So we will create this one with the sequence manner. So first we will use our Spanish agent, then French agent. Okay, once this is done, so we need to use the input. Okay, so console dot, we'll have the console dot read write line of, okay, enter English to Spanish. Okay, then we will have the end. Why this is giving error? Let me see. Cannot implicitly, okay, so I think I put that as agent method. Okay, now so now our input will ask enter the translate, then console dot read line of, this read line we will use in assign it to a string variable, input text. In case if it is empty, then we put string dot empty. Then our agent run response, I will call it as result. Okay, then wait, workflow, this workflow agent that we created with run async input text. Now we will print the text. So for each, okay, for result, this is messages. So okay, here messages dot agent name, messages dot text. Okay, what is the error here? For each statement of public instruction. Okay, this one I think we missed to put the read the messages. So this messages, then we have the messages dot author name, not agent name. Okay, now we are so far we created chat client agent and one Spanish agent, French agent, and we created a workflow to translate the text, and we are running the response. Okay, Now we will see how to create this API credential and endpoint. For this we are going to use a GPT Mini, right? So we need to go to the Google, then we will go the Microsoft GitHub Microsoft GitHub Marketplace. Okay, so you see the GitHub Marketplace. The first one, you go there, and when you go there, GitHub Marketplace, you will see something like this. So you need to sign in. Okay, let's sign in. Once sign in, you will see something like this. So you see the browser URL github.com marketplace. Okay, so you will see all these ChatGPT agent, Open API, all that. So since we are using Open, you go to this model and select the playground. Okay, once you select, you will see the select a model. So we were using Open GPT-4.1 Mini for this demo, right? Just click that. Once you click, you will see something similar to this. Then you see in the right side, there is a use this model. Click that model, and this is they mentioned it is free only, pay as you go when you have the when you cross the actual free tier. Okay, so you need to they have this token everything generated. So create personal access token. Okay, then this will ask again for the password once again. So you just need to enter the password. Once you enter the password, just click confirm. Then it will go to the GitHub Model section. This create new fine grade personal access token. So it will have like 30 days till December 15. Public repositories and read only. No need to do anything else. For this demo, this is give us a chat models token, and you have all this. Just click create token. Okay, then models only generate token. So once this is done, you see the GitHub token has been generated. So copy this, then you go to our Visual Studio Code. This is the API key credential which you need to put. Okay, so don't use this key because after this demo I will be expiring this key. So you can create your own key when you want to use this one. Okay, then if you go this then we need to find out the endpoint, right? Endpoint is similar, which will be here when you create new token. Not here. We will go to the GitHub access again, or the marketplace. Okay, so GPT Mini, so they will have the use this model. Okay, this is our endpoint. Once you copy, you can just replace it here. Now we are pretty much okay. So once this is done, you just need to put API reference. So now we will try to run our project. Okay, now we will come here. So I just put this one a little bit up. .net run. Okay, you see, enter the text to translator. Translate to Spanish to this. Welcome home. Okay, I click enter. Okay, you see the welcome home translator is converted to Spanish as well as French. So you see the value. So since the other name is coming, this is the Spanish one and this is the French one. Also we can add the translator quality agent and workflow agent. So I have a piece of code. I will just paste it here so that I can explain this another section. It's just that we need to add another two agents, one for quality, another one for the summary. Okay, I will just paste the code here. Okay, I have pasted the code. You see the Spanish agent which we created, French agent. So I have the reviewer agent. So this reviewer agent, what it will do is, it is similar to the one we created, the chat client agent, chat client, and the quality reviewer agent name. Then it will have summary instruction, so it will tell your localization. This is a summary event, right? Whatever that name that we have given, what is that? So this one we will tell the ChatGPT that, okay, I want the reviewer, that summary of this text that I am going to convert. So for that, I have given some the format that I want, quality, feedback, so all those it will display. So then I create a summary agent. This is summary agent. Then I have the reviewer agent. So the reviewer agent will review the quality of the translator. So that is from here, and I have paste the code into the GitHub. Later will share, you can get it the GitHub, okay, in case if you want. So once this is done, so I will add the summary agent and reviewer agent. Okay, what is the name of that summary agent? Quality reviewer agent. Okay, so I'll just put enter here. Okay, so this is the code. Now I will be running the same. Let me clear. I'll run .NET run. So it is asking the translate to welcome home. So now I will see what result it is giving me. It will take a couple of seconds, and you see here, welcome home. It has the translator. Then the quality of the translator, and quality is excellent. Both the translation are really appropriate, and it will just explain. Then summary, excellent, and all those things. So you can give any name, then it will translate those values into the similar way. You can create other languages also for the translator. Okay, I think this is Visual Studio Code. Okay, welcome home. Just for clarity, I will just demo one more time. Okay, so, and if you want the color to display different one, so you can do so. I'll just go to the program.cs again. Then you will have the okay, so for the result you can add console.foreground color, go to console color dot, you can give any name, okay, yellow. Then this one I copy and paste it here. I will put it as green. Okay, once this is done, I will just save it. So I am going to run again, and .NET run. Okay, then I will welcome home. Then it will send the request, and you will get the response. Okay, you see, okay, now the translator and reviewer agent is in the yellow color, and the result will be in the green color. Okay, that's all for today. You can subscribe and click bell icon to get latest videos in the notification. Thank you.